So hi guys, my name is Pyle. I was the product owner for this group. Um, our basic goal for this project was to do out a neck course catalog using neck application. So we want to do out a course catalog that IT expert can use in their day-to-day. So this is our the teams who made really hard work on making this catalog. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass the ball to Uday and have them meet the team.
Hi, I'm Kayana Desai, and I'm a senior at William Fremd High School, and I want to go into computer science in college.
Hi, I'm Rihanna Soni. I'm a senior at Burlington Central High School, and I also want to go into computer science and technology in college.
Hi, I'm Maggie. I'm a junior at Fremd High School, and I want to go into computer science or medicine in college.
Hi, I'm Uday. I'm a senior at William Fremd High School. In college, I would like to pursue economics and/or business. Okay, since Anikith can't speak, I'll just go over this slide. One of the technologies we used was NAC, and through NAC, we essentially created our course catalog where we stored information records for students, instructors, and administrators, such as their phone number, their email, their order, their class, etc. We also integrated Python, a programming language for generating and importing our CSV files and updating our NAC certification records. Additionally, we use AWS S3, where we stored our certificates in PDF form and S3 buckets with the help of the web service group with their code. And finally, we use Lucidcharts, which is a platform where we generated and created our ERD diagram.
The world is getting digitalized, and especially in this pandemic time when everything is going online, whether it is education or doctor's consultation or even like hangout meets, like everything is online right now. So in this situation, my team has come up with this innovative idea of like making attendance system online. So basically, this attendance system can actually maintain the students' attendance records by taking pictures from camera. And based on the verification of the student's facial recognition, the attendance sheet will be updated. So my name is Vartika, and I'm the product owner of this IoT team. And I really appreciate my IoT team. They have been like worked very hard, and they have put a lot of efforts, and I'm really happy with their work. So yeah, here comes the Recog team, and over to you, Ashit.
Thank you, Vartika, for the introduction. And hey, everyone, how's it going? Thank you for coming today to our presentation on the IoT project. The IoT team and I are very excited to show you what we've been working on for the past 7 weeks. So without further ado, let's begin. So we're going to start this presentation by going over introduction on who we are. So my name is Ashay Parikh, and I'm a senior at James E. Cohen High School.
Hey guys, I'm Manas Gandhi. I'm a senior at Fremd High School.
Hi, I'm Hassan Hussain. I'm an incoming senior at Shamrock High School.
Hi, my name is Sebastian D'Souza. I'm going to be a senior at Shamrock High School.
So in order to prove that technology can be used to create an attendance system that can save employers and schools time, money, and resources, we created Recog, the first ever AI-driven, multi-platform, open source, and scalable attendance system. Recog uses a camera and facial recognition to track attendance, which increases the efficiency and accuracy of attendance tracking, a database and storage container to save an organization's attendance data, which provides a secure and organized structure for attendance data, a web interface, Raspberry Pi, and LCD screen to display an organization's information, which allows the user to interact and monitor the system.
Hi everyone, my name is Nisha, and our team worked on a web development project. So in this project, we created a course completion certification using web application. So without delaying it further, I would like my team to walk you guys through our work.
So first, before we get started, we just wanted to give a quick introduction. So hi, my name is Dimple Patel. I'm a rising senior at Kona High School, and in the future, I plan on studying computer science.
Hi everyone, my name is Manu Ravella. I'm a rising junior at Fremd High School, and in the future, I plan on studying computer science also.
Hi everyone, my name is Anushka DeWilker. I'm a rising senior at Fremd High School, and in the future, I also plan on studying computer science.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanji Shah. I'm a rising senior at Kona High School, and in the future, I also plan on studying computer science.
Hi everyone, I'm Preeti Jagathisan. I'm a rising junior at Friend High School, and I'm also planning for a career in computer science.
So to develop our project, our group used a combination of the following tools, ranging from Postman, AngularJS, Node.js, Python, MySQL, and AWS. To develop the front end, we used AngularJS and Node.js. Node.js allowed us to run our front end on Chrome with a temporary URL. While developing the front end, we used Postman to test the connection between our database and front end. We used MySQL for the database and Python and AWS to create the certificate and store the link for the PDF. In fact, the NAC team used the same Python program to generate certificates. Up next, Preeti will talk about the architecture approach.
Thank you, Sanji. This architecture diagram demonstrates the flow of our project. First of all, the front end is the website through which the user can store or change student or course information. This information which the user enters is stored in table format in the MySQL database. When the user clicks the Generate Certificate button for a particular student, data is passed through a REST URL, a web link which contains the student data as parameters. Our Python program, which runs through a service called AWS Lambda, accepts these parameters, generates a certificate with this information, and stores it in a folder unique to that student. Each student has a folder which contains their respective certificates, and all these folders are stored within AWS S3's cloud storage. The links to the certificates are also saved in the MySQL database.
Thank you. And I'm going to give an opportunity to Jen. Jen, would you like to share something to our students?
Sure. I want to say congratulations to all of you for doing the internship. What a great use of your time, and it's wonderful. And thank you so much to IT experts for being adaptable and making it happen, even though we're dealing with COVID. And everybody stay safe and just keep doing your best. And this too shall pass. And thank you again to everyone at IT experts for making this happen for our students.